Wishing you all a blessed and joyous Easter. Good Friday and Easter are two of the most important days in the Christian calendar, celebrated with devotion and deep spiritual significance. Good Friday, observed on April 3rd, 2026, marks the crucifixion and death of Jesus Christ. It is a day of solemn reflection, prayer and remembrance, inviting believers to pause and reflect on the ultimate act of sacrifice. According to the New Testament, Jesus was sentenced to death, made to carry his cross and crucified, taking upon himself the sins of humanity. Across the world, Christians observe Good Friday with quiet church services, fasting and simple meals, and in some places, processions that reenact the events leading up to the crucifixion. In India, the period leading up to Easter is marked by 40 days of fasting, prayer and penance. During this time, many believers abstain from meat, fish and alcohol as part of their spiritual observance. Good Friday observed during this period is a day of prayer and devotion at churches where families gather to read scriptures and reflect spiritually. Many also prepare ganji, a simple rice porridge, as a humble part of fasting and devotion. The essence of Good Friday remains the same, honoring the sacrifice of Jesus, seeking forgiveness and preparing spiritually for Easter. Easter Sunday, celebrated on April 5th, 2026, follows 2 days after Good Friday and marks the resurrection of Jesus Christ. It symbolizes hope, renewal and new beginnings. For Christians, Easter is a celebration of life overcoming death and darkness, giving way to light. Easter celebrations begin with early morning or late night church prayers, often illuminated by candlelight. Homes and churches are decorated with flowers, candles and colorful Easter eggs, which symbolizes new life and rebirth. Children enjoy Easter egg hunts, while families exchange sweets and greetings. Beyond these joyful rituals, Easter carries a powerful spiritual message. After sorrow and hardship, hope and faith are always possible. Globally, Easter traditions vary, with chocolate eggs, festive treats, and in some Western cultures, the Easter bunny symbolizing fertility and renewal. Yet, in every country, the essence remains the same. A mix of reflection, celebration, and gratitude, reminding Christians of the teachings of Jesus on love, compassion, and humanity. From the solemn reflection of Good Friday to the joyous celebration of Easter Sunday, these days together offer a journey from sacrifice and sorrow to hope, faith, and renewal. A deeply spiritual experience for believers in India and around the world. On this joyous Easter Sunday, we reflect on the great mercy of God. Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. In His great mercy, He has given us new birth into a living hope through the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. Peter chapter 1 verse 3. Easter reminds us that after every darkness comes light, after every sorrow comes hope, and faith always trumps. Once again, wishing you all a blessed Easter.